su pinche madre. ¿Ah?
Pretty good for the first time.
Let me see.
Yeah. I messed up. What do you mean with it? Like, if it's too long, just clip it. Something like this.
Make it look cool, dude. Oh, shit.
You wet your arm, dude.
No tengas miedo, güey.
It's badass. It like turns off, huh? Hey, it's cool. It turns off, right?
Nah, mine don't.
Turns on.
Mine don't have that one.
Turns on, buddy. It's over here. How you turn it on?
There, it's on.
How you turn it on?
It's recording.
Alright. Like when you roll it, it'll turn dark. Yeah.
Oh, that's fucking amazing, dude.
What? This shit is raw. Here we go. My turn? Oh shit, a wide dude. You've been like, Is it recording though?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah.
How much?